We'll now go and set the configuration for a flatness measurement using the Union Jack method. The two tabs at the top are either the configuration menu as seen or the measurement information, where you can enter company name, operator name, materials, machine, temperature, and choose to either or not display these with the results are now in the printouts. The units are either imperial or metric. You can average and set a statistical filter. You can choose a source, which is either keyboard, Tutorial 6, or in this case, the Ultra autocollimator. You can choose the axis, in this case Y, and you can invert. The same as straightness, it's very important to make sure if you're already inverting in the Ultra autocollimator software, inverting it here will bring it back to normal. So only invert in one of these software packages. There's a threshold warning. If I want to set a value, let's say a 5-second threshold, so if one measurement to the other changes by more than 5 seconds, a warning will happen before it allows you to proceed. The view of the results of the Union Jack can either be normal or leveled. We'll show you the difference in that results page. Then we come on to the actual size of the granite surface table when measuring. This is the length in millimeters, this is the width in millimeters, and this is the border size. So around the edge, we will always come in a little bit to either have the center of the mirror or the talivel positioned. In this particular example, that's 50 millimeters. Then we choose the number of measurements we're going to take on the long length, the short length, and the diagonal. These must always be even. The last two options is to be able to grade the table according to various international standards. If we choose a British standard, the appropriate grade will be shown on the results chart. The last option is the measurement sequence. I would recommend lengths first, widths second, and then diagonals. This means the minimum amount of adjustment on the adjustable base is required. You can then save this configuration and load them at a later date to save resetting up. Let's go and take a flatness measurement.